Exploring the benefits of folic acid for cancer prevention. Folic acid, a synthetic form of vitamin B9, is crucial for many bodily functions, including DNA synthesis and repair, cell division, and growth. Its significance extends beyond general health, as it plays a vital role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. This article delves into the various ways folic acid contributes to cancer prevention, highlighting its importance in a balanced diet and overall health. Folic acid, also known as folate when naturally occurring in foods, is essential for the production and maintenance of new cells. It is particularly vital during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy and infancy. However, its role in cancer prevention has gained significant attention in recent years. Research indicates that adequate folic acid intake may help reduce the risk of several types of cancer, including colorectal, breast, pancreatic, and cervical cancers. One of the primary ways folic acid helps prevent cancer is through its involvement in DNA synthesis and repair. DNA is the blueprint of our cells, and any damage or mutation in DNA can lead to the development of cancer. Folic acid helps maintain the integrity of DNA by aiding in the production and repair of this crucial molecule. It also plays a role in DNA methylation, a process that regulates gene expression and helps prevent the activation of oncogenes, which can lead to cancer. Colorectal cancer is one of the most well-studied areas in terms of folic acid's protective effects. Studies have shown that individuals with higher dietary intake of folate have a lower risk of developing colorectal cancer. This protective effect is believed to result from folic acid's ability to maintain DNA integrity and support the healthy division and replication of cells in the colon. Breast cancer is another area where folic acid intake appears to play a protective role. Some studies suggest that adequate folate intake may reduce the risk of breast cancer, particularly in women who consume alcohol. Alcohol consumption can interfere with folate metabolism, leading to deficiencies that increase cancer risk. Therefore, ensuring sufficient folic acid intake is especially important for women who drink alcohol. Pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest forms of cancer, with a very low survival rate. Research has shown that folate intake might also reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer. Folate's role in DNA synthesis and repair, as well as its involvement in methylation processes, is believed to contribute to this protective effect. Cervical cancer prevention has also been linked to folic acid. Human papillomavirus, HPV, infection is a major risk factor for cervical cancer, and folic acid may help reduce the risk by supporting immune function and maintaining healthy cell division in the cervix. To maximize the benefits of folic acid for cancer prevention, it is essential to include folate-rich foods in your diet. Leafy green vegetables, legumes, citrus fruits, and fortified cereals are excellent sources of folate. For those who may have difficulty meeting their folate needs through diet alone, folic acid supplements are available and can help ensure adequate intake. In conclusion, folic acid plays a crucial role in cancer prevention by supporting DNA synthesis and repair, regulating gene expression, and maintaining healthy cell division. Including folate-rich foods in your diet or taking supplements can help reduce the risk of several types of cancer. For more tips on maintaining a healthy diet and preventing cancer, watch the recommended videos in the description of this video or the associated playlist.